Hi, today I've got a solar pump to look at. It's a bag of various nozzles and extensions, screws, not sure what those are for, string bag, again no idea what that's for, solar pump, yes they're always small. It comes readily connected to the solar panel. That's alright then. Did I mention this one also comes with this funny looking bracket? I'm gonna guess, yeah, that's what the screws are for. The screws hold the bracket onto wherever you screw it to, and that must go on there. I wonder, yeah. The idea of this, it's a ground stake, so that will go, slide in there, so you can stick it in the ground. Might sound silly, but I've actually seen some that don't have this, so the question is, how do you mount the solar panel? The only thing you can do is lay it down and hope it doesn't get blown away. But say this one, got a nice stake, stick it in the ground. Let's get some nozzle extensions out. Let's shove them all together. Let's stick it on the pump. Now obviously nothing's going to happen for two reasons. There's no water here and there's no sun. Let's take it outside and test it. Well, here it is. It's working. I'm not going to say too well, but it does have a problem. As you see, it's working. I'm not going to say not too bad, but it is definitely working. And to prove it's solar, I'll stand in front of the solar panel. There we go. But there are a few problems. Because its jet is so fine, any slight breeze, as you can see it's doing it now, blows the water out of the pool. That's because it's too high. But there is no adjustment. Hi, back again, about a month later. Do you recognise this solar panel? Yes, it's the one running the solar fountain. Let's have a look. Yep, there it is. As you can see, it's not working. Let's check out the solar panel and the pump. Here is the solar panel. I have a meter to check it. Because it has such a small barrel connector, I've had to shove a bit of wire in it, but let's see what the solar panel's generating, if anything. Oh, look at that. Nearly 10 volts. I think it's safe to say the panel is okay. Let's open the pump. Here's the pump. Let's take the filter out. No, nothing there to worry about. Nothing there to worry about. It's not totally blocked. Let's remove this. Here's the impeller. Nothing in there to worry about. propeller spins freely. Let's put it back. Let's connect it to the panel. It is making some noise, but not a lot. I've put it back in, as you can see. Now, it can't cope with a bit of water. Obviously the pump has failed. Don't know why, just has. Would I recommend this one? No. I've just checked, it's just over a month old, and as you can see, stopped working. Would I recommend it? No. What do you think? If you like this content, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like this content, hit the thumbs up button 3 times. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.